Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you put text over image in Adobe Premiere Pro. So guys, as you can see here, I've just put my country flag. You can choose any kind of image you want, and after that just put the text, just write the text, any text you want. Now you can just select the text as you like. Click on these effect controls and you can make this text any kind of font, just like I'm giving this font. You can change the color of the font, but it won't matter after that. Now here you can see effects. Click on effects and search here track matte key, this one. Just put it and drop it in the image. And after that, here you can see in the effect controls, none, select the video 2, and as you can see we are done. The image is over the text. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.